So this is our 3-year-old, and he has locks for over a year now. Just did our wash with our Black Charcoal Shampoo, and we're about to retwist. So he has a lot of new growth. I think we haven't retwisted in over a month, so probably 2 months to be honest. So let's get to it. So normally start with our oil. So this will be available soon. So start with our oils, and we just do his roots. So I do one side first, and then tackle this side. And I only use our oil for his scalp, and I use our pomade for his edges just to lay them down a little bit. That's it. Stay tuned. Here's the final results. Finish. Yay, it's finished, Papa. It's finished. Can I see you?